Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This creamy avocado pasta recipe is super easy, healthy, delicious and packed with loads of nutrients. Add more fresh veggies to make it a healthy avocado pasta salad. It's dairy free, nut free and vegan. In a large pot, bring water to boil. Add salt and few drops of any oil. Add dry pasta to the water and stir for few times to prevent the pasta from sticking together. Cook it as per the instructions given on the packet or for 10 to 12 minutes or till the pasta is done. Once done, drain the excess water and run it under the tap water to prevent further cooking. Meanwhile, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do like and subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get the new video updates. This recipe could not get easier if you are craving a healthy and easy pasta meal for your family. This dish can be made instantly in 20 minutes. While pasta is cooking in the pot, prepare the creamy avocado sauce by adding half avocado, a fist of spinach, 3 garlic cloves, a fist of coriander leaves, half lemon juice and some olive oil. Pour a teaspoon of olive oil into a pan. Transfer all the vegetables and saute them at medium to high flame. Add salt and pepper to the vegetables. Fry. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of avocado sauce prepared earlier. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Add pasta seasoning to this mixture. At this stage, transfer the cooked pasta into the mixture. Mix them well or till the sauce is evenly coated onto the pasta. Adjust this salt at this stage. Add more pepper if you like the flavor. This is perfect for a weekend meal, potluck, picnic and barbecue. Thanks for watching.